Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a loop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, at first just go to your Adobe Premiere Pro, and here you can see I've selected a clip. Now from the middle of the clip, just cut it by the razor tool. Here you can see razor tool. Just cut it in half. Then select the other half and drag it to the up like this, and put the first half in the second place like this. Now you can just add a transition by clicking effects here, and here you can see cross dissolve. You can just search for it here. I have just searched cross and it is here, cross dissolve. Now you can just select it and drag it here. You can make this cross dissolve low by like this. Now you can just press the Alt key and copy all of it. I've just copied these 2 times. Here you can see it is now in loop. So guys, that's how you can make a loop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.